Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter 8 cars and wheel. In last class we learned about the same chapter and in that class we learned about the parts of circle. So do you remember what are these part of the circle? We learned about, first of all we learned about the center point of the circle, then radius of circle, what is mean by radius, what is radius, then diameter, then chord of circle and then circumference of the circle. So on the basis of that, our previous class, here are some questions here which we have to solve here, which we have to complete this one. Let's see first one question. Write the center and radius of the following circle. Dear students, circle A, circle B, circle C, circle D and circle E. And this is circle E. So this way some circles are given here A, B, C, D and E. And each circle has one center point here. The name of the center point is given here. Now see, and radius is also given here. But that we have to identify which is the circle, which is the center point and which is the radius here, and that we have to write in this given box. So according to our question क्या बेटा? Write the center and radius of the following circle. So see, this is circle A, and in this circle, this point is center point, and this is the point on circle. This is the point on circle. और ये क्या आपका circle का एक point है. And this point, the point on circle and this center, it is joined and then it is OA. This is OA. But what is OA? Whenever you join any point on the circle with center point, then you got a one. You will get one radius, one line segment, and this line segment is the radius here. So now in this is the center point. So what is center here? Center is O. And what is OA? OA is radius. So this way we can write here the name of the center and name of radius in given remaining circle also. This is about our question circle A. Now see, this is about circle B. So what is this? This is point, is center point. So this is center. You can write here P, center point. And then see, this to this. It is the point Q which is on the circle. So what we can write? You can write here it is PQ. It is PQ. Okay? It is PQ. So then again you see center is P and radius is PQ. Radius is PQ. Now come to circle number 3. Circle C here. Center CENTRE. So what is this point? This point is point T. This point is point T. So it is center point T. It is center point T. And then see RADIUS radius. It is radius. So what is this? TM is radius. What is this? TM is radius. And next in number D, see what is this? This is center point. So what is this? This is point S. So this is called center. This is center point S. And then see SR. SR. See this is SR. So it is radius SR. SR is radius. Okay. So this is our center circle D, and now come to circle E. Circle E. So what is this? Center and radius. So it is W. W is your center point. W is your center point, and then see it is N. It is N. So WN is what? It is W and it is N. So WN is your radius. So once again you see center W and WN is your radius. So like this we write here the name of center and name of radius in given circle. Now come to question number 2. आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर आते हैं. It is little different. थोड़ा सा अलग है. In this question 1, the radius was given there, center point was given there. We have to write their name. But now here, draw the radius and diameter of the following circle. Also write their name. Here are some examples of circle, and in this circle, only circle are given there with center point. Center point का नाम देके उसके circle दिए हुए, and now in this circle we have to draw radius and then diameter, and in this box we have to write the name of the radius and name of diameter. So see, this is circle A. So this circle is A circle with center point O. Now what we have to draw here? We have to draw a radius, any one radius, and then diameter. So okay, say this is O. So we can draw this From here we can write any one here with the radius. So see, suppose this is point P. Now this joined with point P on the circle, so it is OP, and OP is what then? Radius. So you can write here OP as a radius. And now see the diameter. So what is diameter? The diameter is a line segment which join 2 points on circle and pass through center. So what we have to do? See, again you can draw like this. Suppose this is, it is AB. Now it is A and B. It is AB, A and B. So see AB, what is A? A is point on circle and B is also point on circle, and it joins these 2 points on the circle and it passes through the center. So you can say it is AB. What is this? It is AB. Okay. Now number B, B circle. So it is what beta? It is with end, center end, circle with center end. Again here also we have to draw radius and then diameter. See, this is N. You can draw like this one radius. Suppose this is point W on radius circle. W, so then NW is radius. And now this is suppose point P and this is point Q. And now join this P and Q. So it is, see, it is passed through diameter, center point. So what is this? It is your diameter. QP is your diameter. So what we can write here? Here you can write NW what? See, NW is radius and then diameter is QP or PQ. Both way you can write here. QP or PQ. Both way you can write here like this. Okay. Now next, number C. Again see, this is circle with center point T. Now we have to draw one radius here. Like that you can draw radius C. Suppose this is TR, it is T center point and this is R. So TR is your radius. So you can write the name of radius as a TR. It is TR. Okay. And then diameter. And then we can draw here diameter. Since it is suppose point O and this is point N. So it is N and it is O. Suppose it is O. So what is this beta? ON. What is this? ON, ONN, it is ON, so it is diameter. Okay, it is diameter. So once again you say TR is radius and OA is diameter. Okay, ON is diameter. So like this we can continue here. Now come to question number 4. D. See, this is circle with center point D. ये आपका D के साथ है. Now again draw here one radius. So see, it is radius QN suppose. It is radius QN. Now this is center and this is point of circle QN, and now diameter. So see beta, this is diameter now. Is it diameter? क्या मैंने आपका this is point L and this is point N suppose. So it is LM. Is it diameter? See, it is also joining 2 points of circle, but still it is not diameter. बच्चों ये जो LM है, L is one point, M is another point. It joins these 2 points on circle, but LM is not diameter. Why? Because this LM does not pass through center. Does not pass through center. ये आपका center से pass नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए ये आपका diameter नहीं है. अब देखिए, now see, तो so you can make like this. अगर हम इस तरह बनाएंगे अभी, देखिए, it is L and now it is M. It is M. It is L and it is M. Okay. It is L and it is M. See, if L M pass through center, but still it is not diameter. फिर भी ये diameter नहीं है. क्यों? Because it does not join 2 points on the circle. ये सर्कल के 2 पॉइंट को जॉइन नहीं करता है. That is why it is not LM. But if it will like this, अगर ये इस तरह होगा, देखिए, if it is like this, अगर ये आपका इस तरह है, see LM, now it join 2 points on circle and pass through center, so it is your diameter. तब आपका ये diameter बनेगा. तो radius क्या होगा यहाँ पर देखिए, ये QN is radius and then LM is what? LM is also diameter. LM is diameter. So this way, in this question number 2, we draw radius and diameter and then write the name in this box. इस बॉक्स में हमने उनके नाम लिखे हैं. Now come to question number 3. Dear student, it's very simple. It is based on your last class, which we learned a part of the circle. See, here what we have to do, identify and name the following in the circle given below. ये जो सर्कल दिया है, इस सर्कल में कुछ पार्ट ड्रॉ किए हैं, उस पार्ट के हमें नाम यहाँ पर दिए हैं, उस पार्ट को, किस पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. तो which part is known as what name? Known by what name that we have to identify. So see, this is circle. This is one part. This is one part. This is one part. This is one part, and like that. So see, it is point X. It is point Y. It is point M. It is point N. It is point O. It is point. Sorry, it is point P. It is point O. Now see, first of all, X Y. So what is X Y? Where is X Y? See, this is X Y. This is one point X. Another point X. This is X Y. Now you tell me what is X Y? X Y क्या है आपका? What is X Y? What is this part? What is this part X Y? What is X Y? X Y is what? What is this? X Y is this part. देखिए, it is joining two points on the circle, but does not pass through center. So it is only chord. So we can say it is chord, not diameter. Okay, it is chord. Next, this is O, only point O. So see this picture. What is O here? O is here. So this is center of the circle. So you can write here center point. You can write here center point. O is center point. Now see MM. Sorry, MN. So where is M? M and this is N. See, it is MN. It is MN. Now this is MN joining these 2 points on the circle and pass through the center. So this is, what is this then? It is diameter. It is diameter of circle. So it is MN. Okay. Now OP. See, this is O and this is P. OP. So what is OP? What is this one? What this one is? This one is radius. This one is radius. So this way we write here 4 parts: chord, center, center point, diameter, and radius. Now our next question is here again. See, mark the circumference of the given circle. तो ये आपको जो सर्कल दिया है बेटा, इस सर्कल का circumference आपको मार्क करना है. तो what is meant by circle? Circumference. बेटा circumference is total length of this circle. ये जो सर्कल होता है, इस सर्कल का जो लेंथ होगा, इट इज कॉल्ड सर्कमफ्रेंस. So how to measure length? बेटा you can start from any one point and then you come back this point to this point. You will get total length and it is called circumference. So this way you can mark here, देखिए like that. It is circumference. Like this. This is circumference. So CIRCUMFERENCE. It is circumference. The whole complete circle. This complete circle, it is circumference. Okay. So this way here we write the name of the parts. Now come to question number 4. See, question 4 क्या बेटा? Draw the following and given the name. Draw the following and give the name. अभी यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, it is circle like this. It is circle now. Now see, center point. Now it is circle and nothing is given here. कुछ भी नहीं दिया बेटा यहाँ पर. Now we have to draw here. So first of all, what we have to draw? Center point. चलिए, हम center point draw करेंगे. Suppose this is one center point. And then we have to write name also. हम यहाँ पर name भी लिखेंगे. तो चलिए name बाद में लिखते हैं. First of all, we draw here center point. Then what? Radius. अब हमें रेडियस ड्रॉ करना है. तो हाउ टू ड्रॉ रेडियस? रेडियस यू कैन ड्रॉ फ्रॉम व्हाट? सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल. सपोज दिस इज ए पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल एंड दिस इज पी. ओके. तो व्हाट इज दिस? सेंटर पॉइंट. पॉइंट पी. पॉइंट पी इज योर कैपिटल लेटर बेटा. हियर विल बी कैपिटल लेटर. पॉइंट पी इज योर सेंटर पॉइंट. एंड देन ए इज एनी वन पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल. ए क्या है? किसी सेंटर सर्कल का एक पॉइंट है. इट इज रेडियस. सो यू कैन से इट इज पी ए. इट इज पी ए इज रेडियस. ओके. सी, दिस इज रेडियस पी ए. एंड देन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ डायमीटर. So see what is diameter? Once again I repeated, diameter is a line segment which joins 2 points on the circle and pass through center. So see, anyway you can draw like this, like this, like this, but it should be joined these 2 points and then it should be passed through center. So आइए, suppose this is one point C and this is one point D. Suppose, okay. Now see, it join these 2 points, join 2 points C and D. It joined these 2 points C and D and it passed through center. So what is this? It is CD. What is this? It is CD. CD is what? Line segment. You join these 2 points and pass through center point. And now last one is chord. Now we have to draw chord. So what is chord? Chord is the line segment we join these 2 points on the circle and does not. And it is not required to pass through center. So center से pass हो जरूरी नहीं है. So you can draw like this. So see, it is S suppose and it is T now. So what we can write here? It is ST. For example. So see, ST is chord. So this way we will write here center point. It is point P. Radius it is PA. Then diameter it is CD. And then it is chord. It is ST. So like this, we today discuss these 4 questions about our parts of circle, radius, diameter, to draw it and to name it, to identify it and to write their names. Okay, thank you.